Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word Noel in Christmas in depth. First, the definition. Noel in Christmas means Christmas or the Christmas season, often referring to a Christmas carol or celebration. Think of it simply as the joyful songs and celebrations that mark the holiday season. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Noel in Christmas traces back to the Old French word for Christmas, derived from the Latin natalis, meaning birth. Over time, it's been used by Christian cultures to celebrate the birth of Jesus. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use Noel in Christmas in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. During the holidays, we sang a beautiful Noel in Christmas carol at the church service. Correct example 2. The town square was filled with joyful Noels in Christmas and festive lights. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to Noel in Christmas my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using Noel in Christmas correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Noel in Christmas means Christmas or the Christmas season, often referring to a Christmas carol or celebration. It comes from the Old French and Latin words for birth, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with Noel in Christmas down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.